Hi, and welcome to the presentation on how to apply for your Social Security number. The purpose of this video is to outline the process for obtaining a Social Security number from the Social Security Administration. Please keep in mind that international students are only eligible to apply for a Social Security number if they have already received a job offer for an on-campus job or an internship. Social Security numbers are not required for opening bank accounts, having a cell phone or other services, or to apply for a driver's license. To apply for your Social Security number, you must start your application with the Social Security office online. You will go to ssa.gov and click on Request Number for the first time. Next, you will want to click on the Submit an Application link located in the section labeled Request Number for the first time. On this screen, you will click the Start button. You will then be prompted to answer questions for your application. Some of the questions that you will be asked are things like, have you ever had a U.S. Social Security number before? What names do you go by? What are your parents' names? And what is your address? When entering your U.S. address, you will want to put the full address, including the city, state, and zip code. If you live in an apartment, make sure you include the apartment or building number as indicated on your official address. You may need to ask your landlord or RA if you live on campus for the correct U.S. format for your address. Once you have completed your application online, then you will need to go to your local Social Security office in person. The Social Security Administration's website has an office locator page to help you determine which office is local to where you live. You will need to enter the zip code for your current U.S. address. This will also give you information on their hours and contact information. If you go to an office outside of your area, then they may not be able to finish processing your application, and this can further delay you receiving the card. If you live on campus, then you will visit the Social Security office located in Manchester. When you go to the Social Security office, you will need to bring the following items. You will want to bring your passport and visa, if you have one, or a change of status approval notice. You will also need your I-94 number and your I-20 form. Please make sure that you are checking that your I-20 form indicates an issue reason of continued attendance. If you bring your initial I-20 form, the Social Security office will not be able to complete your request. The final document that you will need to bring with you is a completed work authorization from the ISS office. This would be in relation to an on-campus job, internship, or academic training if you are a J1 student. Before you leave the Social Security office, you will want to ask for two things. The first thing will be the receipt notice. This is a confirmation that you have applied for your Social Security number. The second item you will want to ask for is how long it is taking the Social Security office to process applications. This will help to give you an idea on when you can expect the Social Security card to be mailed to you. If you are working at an SNHU office on campus, then you cannot begin working until you have physically received your Social Security card. The receipt notice will not be sufficient to start working. Please remember that a Social Security number is not work authorization. All work must be authorized by a category that you are eligible for. This can include things like on-campus work and internships or practical training for F1 students and academic training for J1 students. Thank you for reviewing the information on how to apply for your Social Security number. If you have additional questions about this process or need assistance from the ISS office, please book an appointment through the ISS website. You can also email us at iss@snhu.edu or call the office at 603-645-9676. Thank you and have a great day.